What up, YouTube? This weekend I am out of town, and in this video, I want to talk about how to control your calories when you're out of town and you're not able to meal prep and necessarily track your calories. So, number one thing you could do is what I'm doing right now, which is just getting my steps in. So, find a local park, spend 30 minutes to an hour, and walk. If you can't do that, I would recommend the hotel gym where they have a treadmill. So you could use the treadmill and walk 30 minutes to an hour. You can do that either when you first arrive at the hotel or that night after supper. Either way, you got to make it an effort to walk. Second, you can't have big meals every meal. If you're going to have a big meal, I would say only have one and make sure your other meal is smaller. Preferably, you're only eating 2 meals. So, in the morning, mostly water, coffee. You have a small lunch, and then you have a big supper. And if you get your steps in, you should be fine. But if you have 2 big meals, that's even more reason to get out and walk like this. Y'all let me know in the comments below, what do you do when you're traveling and you're trying not to gain weight? See you in the next one.